Gambit, the art of strategic risk, taking in English. Imagine you're in a high-stakes chess match. Your opponent makes an unexpected move, sacrificing a piece early in the game. This bold strategy is known as a gambit, and it's not just limited to the chessboard. Today, we're exploring the word gambit and how mastering its use can elevate your English to a Band 9 level. Word type. Gambit is a noun. Meaning, in chess, a gambit refers to an opening move where a player sacrifices a piece, typically a pawn, to gain an advantage in position or development. More broadly, it describes any strategic action that involves taking a calculated risk to gain a future advantage. Word history. Gambit entered the English language in the mid-17th century. It comes from the Italian word gambetto, meaning to trip or put out the leg to trip someone. This reflects the idea of setting up a trap or creating an opportunity by making a seemingly risky move. Antonyms. While Gambit doesn't have direct antonyms, some contrasting concepts include caution, defense, and risk aversion. Synonyms. Some synonyms for Gambit include ploy, stratagem, maneuver, tactic, and ruse. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how we can use Gambit in various contexts. In business, the company's pricing Gambit of temporarily lowering costs attracted new customers and ultimately increased market share. The diplomat's opening gambit in the negotiations was to offer a surprising concession which caught the other party off guard and set a positive tone for the talks. As a social gambit, he always begins conversations at parties by asking about the host's unique art collection, which invariably leads to engaging discussions. The author's literary gambit of revealing the murderer in the first chapter created an intriguing narrative focused on the why rather than the who. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing gambit with gamut. While a gambit is a strategic move, gamut refers to the entire range or scope of something. Another error is using gambit for any risky action without the implication of a strategic advantage. Remember, a true gambit involves a calculated risk for a potential gain, not just any daring move. In conclusion, gambit is a versatile word that extends far beyond its chess origins. It encapsulates the essence of strategic risk, taking in various fields, from diplomacy to literature. By incorporating this word into your vocabulary and using it precisely, you demonstrate a nuanced understanding of English that's characteristic of Band 9 proficiency. Whether you're describing cunning strategies in business, politics, or social interactions, Gambit adds a layer of sophistication to your language use.